name is Soji Omotunde from Lagos, Nigeria. I'm the general manager of the Nation newspaper in Lagos. I got across to Forerunner on the internet. Really what happened was that I was trying to look for a way of treatment, but I had an accident some 14 years ago, and I was treated at the National Orthopedic Hospital in Igobi, Lagos. But I had some limb length discrepancy that makes me to limp, and gives me pain most of the time. So I wanted that pain off, and I want to leg balance up. So initially I tried some hospitals in the United Kingdom. I found the cost so high, so somebody suggested that India might offer a cheaper and good alternative. So I tried on the internet and I found Forerunner. That's the health tourism business, and I made contact. Started a discussion online, questions asked, information given. I gave them the report, medical report from the orthopedic hospital, X-ray report, everything. So that was how we started a relationship. And I got a cost, and they fixed an hospital for me. And we fixed a date. So I came through Emirates Airline, through Dubai, to Mumbai. At Mumbai, of course, they have somebody waiting for me at the airport. I was lodged in an hotel in Mumbai for a night. The following day, I came to Nagpur, and then Forerunner had already made the arrangement for that as well. So by the time I got to Nagpur, one of the staff already was waiting for me at the airport. I was taken straight to the hospital. That's the Auto Relief Hospital. That was Sanitari's hospital. I was told that it's one of the most popular orthopedic hospitals in central India. So there I stayed, and then after 2-3 days of examinations and x-rays and all the other things that were necessary, I underwent a surgical operation, and that was quite successful. I had a hip replacement surgery, which was done successfully. Also, and the care was so much in such that I didn't feel this kind of harrowing experience that I felt when I first had the accident, because the hospital was like a family, right? And I came alone. Nobody accompanied me, yet everything I needed were provided. The nurses, the doctors, they were always around me to see to my welfare. So just 3-4 days after the surgery, I was placed on a wheelchair to at least to start some movements. So being supervised by them. So in fact, within 2 weeks, I was already on crutches. So the legs are everything okay, balanced. I can now walk straight. And you see, I consider it and I've told a lot of people that the experience is a very exciting one. One, Forerunner that brought me here in the first instance were responsible for my welfare in terms of food. Every time they call, what do you want for lunch, what do you want for dinner, somebody was in charge who understands English. We always come around to take care of my meals and needs, all the needs. Whatever need, anything I require, they will be provided, because I made a payment, and then everything went on well. I think it was a very good relationship. And, the doctor, the head of the Forerunner, Dr. Bojani himself, will come over, his assistants, his office workers, will come over just to see how well I was faring. The hospital here too, Dr. Santani, every day, at least twice, he must come over to see me. And, it's been a very friendly relationship. So that even they allow me to make use of the internet whenever I wanted to. Other facilities were made available to me, the room house, television, with all the facilities that I require. Very neat hospital, very neat, comfortable, and I think it's a very, very exciting experience. I didn't feel the absence at all. In fact, I never needed any assistance, anybody to come along with me, because I had all the assistance that I require when I got here. It's a very good experience, and I really like the idea of the health tourism. It's promoting even the facilities, the advancements of the medical care in India. Many people are not aware, but gradually people are getting aware internationally to know that even facilities that are not available elsewhere, they are available even at private hospitals here. Because at the hospital where I am, the Dr. Santani's hospital, the facilities were very good, very, very good, high quality. Even the medical things he used, he showed me that all these are from the United States, so materials. So I think it's a very good, very exciting experience, very exciting experience, and no regret at all coming to India. It's a place I would like to come over to, maybe for tourism later. Okay, so in 3 weeks, I'm back to Nigeria. All things well with me.